Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm going to talk about how to practice English while traveling. Describe what you see around you. In English, example, you see river, you can make short sentence and simple sentence. The river is wide. There are many fishermen are catching fish in the river. The boat is moving fast, etc. You can see what you see around you, and you can make sentences with that. Speaking about people, place, or things that you notice, repeat short sentences daily, gradually, and make longer sentences about your experience. If in your mind, traveling gives practical opportunities to speak English naturally. Thank you so much.